Okay, so just going to do a quick fun tutorial on doing a animated skull GIF in TV Paint so you can export it out and use it in social media. So to start off with, I'm going to go File and New Project, and I'm going to go for 800 by 800. And that will do. I'm going to go New Project. There we are. Right. So an animation layer down here already. I'm on my first frame. I'm going to press backspace to make sure I've got an empty frame that I can draw on. Then going to go, oops, I'm going to select my paint tool, and I'm going to draw my skull shape. A bit rubbish. I think what I'll do is go conventional black. So we'll have a look. Even worse, can I do that? Let's try again. Oh my goodness. One more time. Okay, that's still pretty rubbish, but better just crack on. Okay. Some eye sockets. Not going for any prizes here in my standard of drawing or animation. Should get something vaguely usable. Principle more than the actual execution. So there we are. Something like that. That'll have to do. And just a few expression lines. Just going to be the main animation part of this. Okay, I'm going to go forward 2 frames, which I can do with the arrow keys on the keyboard. Oops. That's frame on 1, 1, 2. Okay. Now I'm going to press the backspace key. Gives me an empty frame to draw on. And I'm going to turn on my light box in this layer here, which is going to give me my outline of what I had before. So now I can draw my next drawing, which is going to be loosely same sort of thing. So and expression lines are radiating out a bit now. Okay, forward a couple more frames. Backspace key for new frame. New drawing. In we go. So, skull animated GIF could be good for Halloween. Or just good any old time. That. And again, radiating out the lines a bit more. So forward a couple. backspace key. Oops. This drawing. Yeah, just erase that a bit. Just erase. That's so really basic TV Paint stuff here. This time, my lines, I'm going to do this kind of thing, which almost makes it look like they're popping. Okay, forward a couple more frames. Backspace key. This time, no lines, just a skull to give us a kind of a hold finish point. And if you can hear any nature in the background, that's because indeed I'm working from the garden today. It's a lovely day, and it's in the COVID crisis, so I just sort of get some air. Okay, so now I'm going to go through, say to frame 14, press the backspace key, and that's going to just end the animation there. Cool. So what I'm going to do now is quite simply go to File and Export to, and hopefully we go for GIF from here, animation, and GIF, and we choose where it's going to go. And we call it TV Paint Skull GIF, similar. Go save, and then go export. Hopefully we go and check in our location. Oops, sorry. What I call TV Paint. Paint the skull GIF there. Double click on there. Sure enough, getting us animation. So there you go. Very quick and easy to do an animated GIF in TV Paint.